In 2025, making money from home has become more accessible than ever before, thanks to the rapid evolution of technology and the internet. With a variety of opportunities available, people can now tailor their income streams to suit their skills, passions, and goals. Here are some of the most effective ways individuals are generating income from the comfort of their homes this year. First, freelancing continues to dominate the remote work landscape. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal have expanded their offerings, making it easier for skilled professionals to connect with clients worldwide. Whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or software development, freelancers have an array of opportunities to choose from. The flexibility of freelancing allows individuals to set their rates, pick their projects, and work on their own terms. For those just starting, building a strong portfolio and gathering client reviews are key to gaining traction and increasing earnings. Online tutoring and teaching have also seen exponential growth. With advancements in e learning platforms and the increasing demand for online education, teaching has become a viable option for people with expertise in specific subjects or skills. Websites like VIPKit, Preply, and Skillshare allow educators to share their knowledge with students across the globe. Language tutoring, test preparation, and specialized skill training are particularly lucrative niches. Additionally, educators can create and sell their own courses through platforms like Teachable or Udemy, earning passive income from course sales over time. E-commerce is another thriving avenue. Setting up an online store is easier than ever with tools like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon Seller Program. In 2025, print-on-demand services and dropshipping remain popular business models. Print-on-demand allows individuals to sell custom-designed products without holding inventory, while dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to sell products directly from suppliers without the need for upfront stock. Success in e-commerce often hinges on finding the right niche, understanding the target audience, and leveraging social media marketing to drive traffic and sales. Speaking of social media, content creation is a major income stream for many in 2025. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even newer entrants into the market are offering monetization opportunities for creators who can engage and grow their audience. Creators earn through ad revenue, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and fan support platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi. While it's a competitive space, consistency, creativity, and understanding what resonates with an audience can lead to substantial earnings over time. Affiliate marketing has gained even more prominence, especially as more companies invest in influencer partnerships. Individuals with a blog, YouTube channel, or significant social media following can promote products or services and earn commissions for each sale generated through their referral links. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity in promoting products that align with the creator's personal brand and genuinely resonate with their audience. The gig economy remains strong in 2025, with platforms like TaskRabbit and Instacart offering flexible ways to earn. While these options typically require some physical presence, many gig economy platforms have added virtual tasks such as virtual assistants, data entry, and customer service roles, allowing individuals to work entirely from home. These roles are ideal for those seeking a side income with minimal barriers to entry. Remote consulting is another lucrative option. Professionals with expertise in fields like business strategy, marketing finance, or wellness can offer their services to clients remotely. Platforms like Clarity.fm and LinkedIn have made it easier for consultants to connect with potential clients. Building a strong personal brand and showcasing expertise through content, such as blogs or webinars, can attract high paying clients in this field. For those with a knack for creativity, selling digital products has become a profitable venture. Digital products like templates, ebooks, stock photos, music, and software require an initial investment of time and effort to create but can generate recurring income with little additional work. Websites like Gumroad and Creative Market provide easy to use platforms for selling these items directly to customers. Virtual assistants is another in demand service in 2025. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need help managing administrative tasks, social media, or email communications, and they're willing to pay for it. Virtual assistants can work part-time or full-time depending on their availability, and they can specialize in specific industries to command higher rates. This role requires organization, communication skills, and proactive mindset. Stock trading and investing have also seen a rise in popularity thanks to the accessibility of online trading platforms. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Webull provide tools and resources for individuals to start investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or ETFs. However, success in this area requires education and careful risk management. Many aspiring traders dedicate time to learning through courses, tutorials, and practice accounts before investing real money. Finally, the rise of metaverse and virtual reality has opened up entirely new income opportunities. From designing virtual spaces to trading virtual assets, the metaverse offers a wealth of possibilities for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Virtual event hosting, digital fashion design, and NFT creation are just a few of the innovative ways people are making money in these virtual environments. As the metaverse continues to grow, so does the potential for earning within it. In conclusion, the opportunities to make money from home in 2025 are vast and varied. From freelancing and teaching to e-commerce and virtual consulting, there's something for everyone, regardless of their skills or experience. While some paths require more time and effort to establish, the rewards of financial independence and the flexibility to work from anywhere make their journey worthwhile. With dedication, adaptability, and the willingness to learn, anyone can find success in the evolving landscape of remote work. And that wraps up the video for today. If you made it this far, comment money and feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for any future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.